Do you want to get Discord Nitro features without payment method? Then watch this full video. Subscribe to this channel because if you don't, then you will see a ghost at 3 a.m. First thing you need to do is to download Vencord from the website linked in the description. Keep in mind that Vencord is against Discord's TOS, but people still use it since no one has ever gotten banned by using Vencord. After downloading, just open the installer and install Vencord to your Discord. This will close your Discord, so open your Discord again, and now go to User Settings and then click on Plugins. Now you need to enable 3 plugins. All 3 of these plugins will help you have Nitro features for free. First, enable the plugin named Fake Nitro, then enable the plugin named Fake Profile Themes, and now finally enable the plugin named Decor. After you have enabled the 3 plugins, Vencord will ask you to restart your Discord, so restart it, and now let's see how you can use these features. First, go to User Settings and now go to Profile Themes. Now scroll down until you see the Nitro preview option. Now in the preview, change the profile theme to what you like. Now click on Copy 3Y3, paste what you have copied in your About Me, and you are done. Using this, you can have profile themes without Nitro. Hang on, before we continue, I've got something really awesome to share with you. Boostle offers automatic Discord server boosting services at incredibly affordable pricing. Not only server boosts, you can also get Nitro upgrades and V-Bucks. And do you know what's even cooler? Getting these supercharged boosts is ridiculously easy. A few quick clicks on Boostle.to and you've got you boosts within seconds. Look at that! More audio quality, more emoji slots, more of everything. So why wait? Check out Boostle.to now and let your Discord community flourish with fantastic features, all without breaking the bank. For the second feature, you need to go back to Settings and then Profile Themes. Now you can see an option to change decorations. Click on it. It'll ask you to authorize a bot. After you have authorized the bot, you will get this menu to select an avatar decoration. Now choose the avatar decoration that you like. After you are done, click Apply, and you will have your avatar decoration. You can also submit your own avatar decoration if you want. Let's get to more Nitro features, so now you can use any custom emoji you want without having Nitro. And yes, if you are aware, custom emojis is a Nitro feature which you now have for free. Not only emojis, you can also use custom stickers, even though you don't have Nitro. Let's talk about the next feature. So now you can stream in high quality without having Nitro. You can check it yourself by trying to stream in a voice channel. High stream quality is a Nitro feature which you can get for free. Not only this, you can go to Settings, then Appearance, and now you have access to client themes for free, just because of those plugins. If you want to know free ways to get Nitro, then watch videos from this playlist. There will be more Nitro features coming for free. I'll notify you when they do, so subscribe for more videos like these.